Hey, what's up, guys? Meteorologist Doug Hetty. I hope you are having a great Wednesday so far. It's still kind of gloomy outside. I'm doing some work from home before I go to work. And look at the dogs. They kind of like each other, which is kind of cool seeing them get along. But we do have a storm system moving in. In fact, it's actually going to be pretty active for us the entire month, which is great news because I like active weather. I don't like to get bored. But today, we're going to talk about a severe weather question that I did get. We're going to go over the radar, rain moving in tonight. We have another wave on Saturday, and then severe weather threat. I know it for next week. Of course, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Superior Roofing and Construction, four-state premier roofing contractor. They did my roof, let them do yours. They're located on 7th and High in Joplin. The number is right there on your screen. But good friends, great people, great work. All right, look at the rain. You can see it increasing out there. This is still kind of several hours away from the four-state area, but you can see it really increasing down through parts of Oklahoma, northern parts of Texas. We aren't seeing anything too strong, but where you see the yellows popping up, that is at least moderate rain. So moving into Oklahoma City, eventually up toward Enid, Ponca City, Tulsa, you are about hour and a half, 2 hours out. Even a few random showers once you get down into northwestern Arkansas. But all this is going to spread north as we go through the overnight hours for us tonight. So let's go through time. Here is 5 p.m. Still random showers, mainly to our south, really increasing as we go into the evening hours. So I do think by 9 p.m. we're going to have rain from Tulsa to Veneta into Joplin, Monette, Springfield, Bentonville, maybe even Independence down toward Fort Smith. Not expecting anything too strong, not expecting anything severe. Look how the rain increases tonight. Now, if you are in our northern counties, you can see it kind of clips you. We don't get a whole bunch in our far northern counties. So Nevada over to Iola, Chanute, just kind of hit and miss showers. But it will increase a little bit later on tonight. So the heaviest band starts to pull east by morning. So this is mainly going to be an event that we see along and south of the I-44 corridor. If you live over toward Wichita, Salina, Topeka, Lawrence, Kansas City, you're going to get kind of clipped by this one. You may get a few random showers where you're just not going to get too much action into the region, which I know kind of stinks. And then hit and miss showers last through the morning, and then just clouds and still some showers trying to pop up during the afternoon. Now you can see by Thursday afternoon, up toward Lawrence, Kansas City, Topeka, that's when you may get some scattered showers. So you will get some rain, but the heaviest is going to be along and south of the I-44 corridor. Expect a half an inch, maybe upwards to an inch. My northern counties, not that much at all. Then we get a break. We finally start to break out and see partly sunny skies as we go into Friday. Clouds will build right back in Friday afternoon, mostly cloudy skies. And then here comes our next storm system. Look at this. And I know this has been a trend, but this is the pattern. So as I've told you, the heady pattern, we're in this pattern for the next year. And one very distinct part of this pattern is the waves like to track out along I-44 and south. So Joplin, Veneta, Monette, Bentonville, we're always on the north side. This is going to be the same for the winter months when we get snow events, is the heavier snow, if you remember my winter forecast, is going to be along that I-44 corridor. So get used to this because this is what we're going to see. I know it doesn't help the drought people out across Kansas, but this is what we're going to see all winter. And this is also how severe weather is going to track as we get into the spring. So this wave goes by. So we see this Saturday wave, I think, will clear out Saturday evening, which is good. I'm supposed to have a holiday party with some friends, and I like to get outside and get the fire pit going. Let's go into Sunday. Sunday looks mainly good. And then, of course, I've been talking about this storm system for a couple weeks, actually longer than that. I said it was going to come in around December 11th, December 12th. It's really about December 12th. And the last time it came through, it had an upper level low that tracked across northwest Arkansas. I was hoping it would do that again. It actually had two upper level lows, one to the north, one to the south. The south wave was dominant. I was hoping that's what we would see because that means we would get a little bit of snow mixing in. This time around, the northern wave is going to be dominant. Still means we get all the action. It just means possible severe weather. So let's dig into this. So let's go all the way into Monday afternoon. Some showers start developing across the region, really from Omaha, Kansas City, Wichita, Joplin, toward Oklahoma City. And then this big upper level low starts to kick out. So rain, showers, thunderstorms increase Monday evening into Tuesday morning. And then Tuesday late afternoon into Tuesday night. This is when we need to really watch it. So we got a cold front at the upper level low would be up across parts of Nebraska and a cold front east of Wichita to Oklahoma City. It should be warm ahead of it into the 60s unless if we see a shift in this pattern. So let's go back to the question that I was going to answer today. Can we get severe weather in December? Yes, we can get severe weather in any month of the year. In fact, we in the four-state area usually have at least one severe weather event in December. Let's go back to last year, December 11th. You remember the storms rolled out of Missouri into Kentucky and hit, I think it was an Amazon warehouse, but several people died in the night with an EF3, EF4 tornado on December 11th into December 12th. Yes, we can get severe weather. You got to watch out for severe weather all year round. And we do have a severe threat as we go into next Tuesday. I know that's 6 days away, but that is something we want to keep our eyes on. So usually in January and February, we've had severe weather every single month of the year, but it's a lot less likely in January and February. But it's usually pretty typical to see one severe weather event in the month of December. So this is what we got to watch as we go down the road into, let's see, the next couple of weeks. Let me pull something else up for you here. Just bear with me. See if I can get this to pull up. Let's pull out a couple models here. Okay, let me go here. I want to see what the 12Z GFS just glances. I just want to glance at it to see if it's fitting with the pattern or if it's not fitting with the pattern. All right, let me go to vorticity. Okay, so let's go here. Here's Saturday's wave. You can see the energy with the brighter colors. Here's Monday, Tuesday's storm. So see the bright colors down through Oklahoma. So here's the northern wave, the southern wave. Last time in the cycle, the southern wave was dominant. Now it looks like the northern wave is going to be dominant. This is going to give us a lot of cold air. Another wave comes out right around next Sunday into Monday. So now we're in the week before Christmas. We're going to have to watch this storm system coming in around the 22nd and 23rd, may even last into Christmas. So we do have some chances to get maybe some wintry weather in here if we can get some Arctic air. If we look at the kind of precip map, even though these and again, these long range models stink. They just give you an idea. I mean, they really do stink. But trying to produce some wintry weather in the region as we get, gosh, a couple weeks from now. So we do have a lot to watch. Now, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will make sure to answer them. I'm trying to answer some in these videos every single day. Make sure you like, subscribe, because as the weather picks up, we'll do some streaming on here when I'm at home. Of course, tonight I'll have the latest on rain on KOAM News, 5, 6, 9, and 10. I hope you're enjoying your Wednesday. Let's chat soon.